She's getting wet for the first time on our camping trip. She's getting all wet 'cause she's a lab, and that's what labbies do. They like to get wet, and this makes them confused. Oh, what's that? They like to get wet, and then they are easily confused. When you go like this, what is it? Oh boy! I'm the worst. And here's Josh putting up the tent.
What is this job?
Well, I got the sticks to stick.
You gathered the poles.
I gathered the poles. I'm a good little pole gatherer, right, Bear Cub? Oh, what's that? I hope it's not a dead body. Looks like a tent. A red tent. Huh? What's going on, dogs?